So I'm walking down the street in wonderful Bilbao, Spain, and this lady just walks up to me and starts harassing me. I'm like, who is this woman?
Poor thing. He feels harassed already.
But it turns out to be my good friend, Juliana. Oh, sorry. And if you are following the blog, you'll remember that she hosted me last time. Great hostess, we did it all, we had a great time. I'll put a link in the description below so you can see that vlog. And yeah, so we're gonna hang out today and see what we can see. So I tried to fly my drone near the Guggenheim Museum, and the warning popped up said this is an authorized zone only, cannot fly here, so I immediately exited. And then today I'm walking by the Guggenheim and I see the DJI Mini flying all around the museum. And so apparently if you have the smaller drones, there's no problem flying there, or that guy was flying in the authorized zone and just didn't care. So didn't get any good footage there, but I did get some of the rest of the city. Okay, so one thing I used to do when I lived in Spain was whenever I would travel somewhere, I would do a handstand and take a photo. And I have not done this in a long time, so in honor of being with an old friend, I'm gonna do one of my old poses. So let's see how this goes.
A few moments later.
Way to go!
Because in Spain, we drink our coffee with ice.
They're in the Alhóndiga. Now it's called Azkuna Zentroa. It's like a library and a sports center. I think it's on the other side with like a rooster leg wrapped around.
A picture and you're here and you're like this, and I'm like, hey. And
Oh my god, that
and
was
the security guard was like, you guys have to leave.
Hilarious.
That was.
if you can see that. Yeah.